Hi traders, and it's a new week. Let's break down the chart and see if we can get trading setups for the week. We are beginning our analysis on the weekly time frame as always. So I'll begin by marking off our supply and the demand zones. I'm going to be using a horizontal line. So that is the supply zone. That is where price currently is reacting. And then we have a demand zone right there. So price is moving from the supply headed to the demand zone. So our buyers, I'm going to be looking for selling opportunities simply because I am seeing a tweezer top. So that is a tweezer top, that is a reversal pattern to indicate the sellers are in control and buyers don't have the momentum anymore. That is a reversal pattern. If you don't know about reversal patterns, check out one of my videos on candlestick patterns. You'll be able to know. So our bias is bearish and we're going to be looking for selling opportunities until that demand zone right there. So that is it pretty much from the weekly time frame. And then if we go to the daily time frame, from the daily, we have a resistance there. So we have a resistance. Where price is rejecting, and then down here we have a support. So we have a support. We have a support down here. And I'm going to be looking for selling opportunities until that level where I'm going to be putting my take profit. So that's it pretty much from the daily time frame. I'm going to be looking for opportunities to the downside. We head over to the 4 hours. From the 4 hours, so from the 4 hours, so from the 4 hours, we can see price was shooting up. However, there was a change of character at that point to indicate a reversal. So we had a change of character. That is the change of character. And then the other block which caused the change of character is that one. That is the other block which caused that change of character. So that is our order block. However, price, from the look of things, looks like price reacted of FVG, price reacted of fair value gap. Of FVG, and I can see there is a support here that is preventing price from shifting down. So that is a support level that is preventing price from coming down. But we have a change of character, so that's a good thing. So we're just going to be observing what price will do, because since price reacted of FVG, it again might go and tap into that order block and then continue pushing down there like that, or it will break this support, and then I'm gonna wait for a mitigation of that order block, and then we can expect a move down like that, because the change of character is occurred. So that is a sign to me that price has reversed. So these are one of the two scenarios that I'm waiting for to happen. We just remove that. So you can see price is ranging between this support and that resistance. So we're just going to be observing to see if we can get a breakout, whether a breakout to the downside or a breakup to the upside. We'll just see, since price is at that support level. We'll see. This support is the one that will determine whether I'm going to be placing a buy or a sell. This support, should price continue, should push up from this support, then I'll wait for it at that order block and see if it will break it or it's going to reverse from there, or I'm gonna wait for price to break this support to the downside. But let us continue studying the recent price action and see. I am seeing a resistance there. There's a resistance right there. We go to the M30. To the M30. Let's adjust the support to that level. All right. Let us see. Looks like there is a break of structure right there. So that is a break of structure. And then this is a change of character. That is a change of character. And then the order block, which caused that change of character. It's that one where price is currently reacting. So that is the order block, which caused that change of character. It's possible price might push up from here, or that order block will fail, and the price will break this support. So it's just a matter of waiting to see what price is going to do, and then we'll know our next line of action. All right, traders, that's it for this video. If you did get something out of this video, do give it a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and then I'll see you next week where I'll break down the same chart again. Happy trading.